Assalamualaikum students. Today I am going to tell you what is independence. Why do we celebrate Independence Day? How do we celebrate independence? In this story I am going to tell you all of this. So watch the video till the end. Are you guys excited for the Independence Day? Okay, tell me, what is independence? Independence is the great gift of God. It enables people to live life as per their choice. Like, people can live their own life. Independence is the freedom in your life from unnecessary restrictions. Like, we get freedom from restrictions. You are free when there is no restrictions upon you in your way of spending your life. Like when you're going to celebrate your Islamic occasions or events, you are freely perform your religious activities. As you can see, you can perform your religious activities freely. You can celebrate your religious events freely. Like you can you can move freely from one place to another. You have right to speak your own opinion. Like you have a right to say what you are want to say. You would have no restrictions in your culture, education, and for your good future, for your good jobs. In this way, on the other hand, when you are not free and there are restrictions on you and you are in control of others, it is called slavery. Like you cannot do anything on your own. Like a slave has no choice on your own. So you cannot perform your religious activity freely. You cannot have your events freely. You cannot move from one place to another freely. You have no right to speak in front of the people. You even have no right to choose your own education, like what you are going to be in future, like what your goals are. They are not very important in other people's. As per you know, before the independence, Muslims were spending a life of slavery. They were under the control of British rulers. They were not allowed to spend their life according to their culture and religious values. Muslims are not allowed to perform their religious activities or cultural values. So Muslims were unhappy from this slavery life. They are really sad. They always wanted to have an independent place where they can live their life freely. We all want a free life to do whatever we want to do. This thought of having a free state was given to Muslim by Allama Iqbal. He is the one who gave us the idea of free state. As per you know, Chaudhry Rahmat Ali was the one who suggested a beautiful name for that free state as Pakistan. Oh, look who's here, Quaid-e-Azam, who was our true leader, turned Iqbal's idea, dream, into reality. So here we have, like after a lot of struggle and hard time, Quaid-e-Azam ultimately became successful in making a free state for Muslim. He succeeded in making the making the idea of Iqbal coming true. Pakistan came into being as an independent Muslim state on, as we know, on 14 August 1947. Very nice. So the many Muslims migrated to their separate state named Pakistan. Look how Muslims migrated to their own separate states. Okay, now I'm going to tell you about the Pakistani flag. The Pakistani flag was designed by Sayyid Amir Uddin having white vertical stripe on the left and the dominant green color on the right side of the flag. And in the center is the white crescent moon that indicates progress. As you all know, green part shows the Islamic religion and white part shows the other minorities religions. So ultimately, after so many sacrifices, Muslims got Pakistan as a free state where they can live life according to their culture, religion, and had no restrictions. On every 14th of August, Pakistanis celebrate their Independence Day in the honor of the sacrifices given by the leaders to have this free country for them. Look, the sacrifices of our leaders. We are celebrating this day while decorating our surroundings, our homes. Armies are doing very good performances. Even though schools have the functions of Independence Day, we perform in schools having a great functions to present our Pakistani culture. Even though our TV shows represents what is Jashn-e Azadi, what is. So that's all for today's story. Hope you like the story. You get known about what is independence, how we can celebrate our Independence Day. So happy Independence to all of you. Hope you like the story. Take care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz everyone.